Hello, today we're going to be talking about biotech and how to profit with biotech. And I've been talking about biotech lately, and it's a pretty good way of profiting in the current market conditions. Lots of volatility around, and trading in biotech can be very profitable if we know when to get in, if we find the right companies. And I've been using insider trading information and some other information that can be very useful. Today I'm going to be talking about this company here, Cerecor Inc. It's a biopharma. There are a lot of catalysts for this company. Also, we see huge insider trading, like close to $11 million recently. If we expand here, we see here very recently, so 5 unique buyers. There's a price target on this company for $11 if you care about. Currently sitting at $2.5. You see here that 52-week high went at some point to $6.19. So that's pretty good, right? Let's take a look a little bit more. And there is also this company, I'm not going to be talking about this, but could be a good opportunity. Of course, you have to look at the right entry point to maximize your chances. So let's move on. So let's look at the insider trading of Cerecor using this website here. So yeah, you see here in 2020 all of this buying activity. Actually, this is the one I would like to show you. It has all the people involved here. So there's a lot of buying activity, some pretty big buying activity. So it's a pretty good sign. On Yahoo Finance, I saw this article talking about this. Some companies with large insider trading, and we see the other one as well, Aileron Therapeutics. But we're talking about Cerecor, and you see even this hedge fund buying, and we're gonna look quickly at this. So they bought a combined 2 million shares of Cerecor in June 10 and 11, average price of 2.36. So market cap is 148 million. Institutional ownership of 8.47%. Stock has lost 53% the past 12 months. That's why we need to have a good entry point. But you know, there are a lot of catalysts, and that's the good thing about biotech. A good entry point is about $2.25 or 2.20, which is around the price we saw the insider trading activity recently. So that's pretty good. Let's move on. Cerecor is a biotech with treatments for rare pedriatic and orphan diseases. And we see here the pipeline, quite a few drugs, 8 drugs. There is no approved drug yet, but we see 3 drugs on phase 2 and the rest are on phase 1. So lots of catalysts to come for this company. And looking at these stock tweets website, we see some people talking about a merger, and that could be a big catalyst. So we're not sure, but it's a pretty good site, stock tweets, to keep an eye and see the activities and what people. A lot of people talk about good things, good information about these companies. It has a good community. So this is the hedge fund that is increasing position in Cerecor. Armistice. It's a hedge fund that on September 2019 had more than 20 million shares of Cerecor. And we see in the next quarter, because they have to report every quarter. So at the end of 2019, the position is still the same. We see the latest report here, they increased the position from 20 million shares, about that, to 28 million shares, as we see here. That's a pretty good sign. When we talk about biotech, it can be very profitable, like I was telling you. A few weeks ago, I brought this company, Evoke Pharma, and I've been investing on this company. I've been trading this company, and I entered a position at $1.8, and yesterday, finally, the company got FDA approval. So this price here doesn't reflect what happened after hours yesterday. It increased about 80%. It went to close to $5, if not even $5. Just for you to see how things happen for biotech. Sometimes the FDA approval is already priced in, but not in this case. So Evok has now a drug to treat gastroparesis symptoms. There is only one drug to treat this. So now Evok has this drug that is a nasal spray instead of ingestion. So that's pretty good. It has very high potential. But we're going to be looking at what's going to happen. So yesterday we got the FDA approval, just for you to see how profitable this thing is if you trade rightly and if you know what you're doing. Of course, there's always risks involved, but it can be a very nice thing to trade biotech. Okay, that's it for the video. Take care. Have a good day.